are living beings. For the first time in many decades, we all are kept in family ecosystem, that is, in captivity to resist oneself from the spread of corona. But this has provided an opportunity to get well acquainted with online education. This gives rise to confidence, punctuality, data management, etc. So now we will check the message sent by our central processing unit. And guess what is the message? The message is, on the occasion of World Nature Conservation Day, we all pray for a sustainable association of the entire living and non-living factors. So let's join hands for the prayer.
The earth is my home, I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I love the land, the air and the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth. United with friends, I promise to do it. United with friends, I love the land. United with friends, I'll be your defender. I will save the earth. The earth is my home, I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I love the land, the air, the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth. I will save the earth.
After the establishment of symbiotic relationship with nature, now channelized on the way of commitment to the thought for the day. The thought for the day is, the world is losing its greenery and we should all try our best to not let this happen. So be alert and wish everyone a very happy World Nature Conservation Day.
दुनिया के विभिन्न देशों में प्रत्येक वर्ष 28 जुलाई के दिन को विश्व प्रकृति संरक्षण दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। विश्व प्रकृति संरक्षण दिवस मनाने का प्रमुख उद्देश्य पृथ्वी के प्राकृतिक वातावरण से विलुप्त होते हुए जीव जंतुओं तथा पेड़ पौधों का संरक्षण करना है। पर्यावरण संरक्षण का समस्त प्राणियों के जीवन तथा इस धरती के समस्त प्राकृतिक परिवेश से घनिष्ठ संबंध है। प्रदूषण के कारण सारी पृथ्वी दूषित हो रही है और निकट भविष्य में मानव सभ्यता का अंत दिखाई दे रहा है। इस स्थिति को ध्यान में रखकर सन 1992 में ब्राज़ील में विश्व के 174 देशों का पृथ्वी सम्मेलन आयोजित किया गया। वस्तुतः पर्यावरण के संरक्षण से ही धरती पर जीवन का संरक्षण हो सकता है।
उपयोग किए गए पानी का चक्रीकरण करें। प्लास्टिक के थैली को छोड़ो, कपड़े और कागज के थैली का इस्तेमाल करो। पानी को फालतू में ना बहने दें। कार्बन जैसी नशीली गैसों का उत्पादन बंद करें। जंगल को ना काटें।
इस जिया लाला सैटरडेज ऑफर के साथ घर लेकर आए।
ध्वनि प्रदूषण को सीमित रखें। आज के इंटरनेट के युग में हम हमारे सारे बिलों का भुगतान ऑनलाइन करें। इससे न सिर्फ हमारा समय बचेगा बल्कि कागज के साथ साथ पेट्रोल और डीजल भी बचेगा। जलवायु को बेहतर बनाने के लिए तकनीकियों को बढ़ावा दें, पहाड़ खत्म करने की साजिशों का विरोध करें, जमीन के पानी को फिर से स्तर पर लाने के लिए वर्षा के पानी को सहेजने की व्यवस्था करें। जिस कमरे में कोई न हो उस कमरे का पंखा और लाइट बंद कर दो। जमीन में उपलब्ध पानी का तभी इस्तेमाल करें जब जरूरत हो। ज्यादा पैदल चले और अधिक साइकिल का इस्तेमाल करें।
The environment is a very complex system which consists of enormous biodiversity. So, let us try to explore some amazing facts. Land ice is shrinking at a rate of 1.2 trillion tons per year.
There might be only 10% of the rainforest by 2030 because of the widespread deforestation.
46% of the world's trees have been cleared out since the birth of human civilization.
More than 20% of all oxygen in the atmosphere is produced by the Amazon rainforest. Thank you.
Time spent with trees is never waste.
Up to 28,000 species can go extinct in the next half quarter due to deforestation.
प्रकृति सचमुच अद्भुत है। मनुष्य ने प्रकृति से बहुत कुछ सीखा है। मोर हमारा राष्ट्रीय पक्षी है। बारिश के बूंदों ने मोर के माध्यम से हमें नृत्य सिखा दिया। आओ अब हम ऐसी एक नृत्य का लुत्फ उठाते हैं।
Hello, I, Abha Munot, have made a poem on very colorful nature and I will be reciting it. A sweet mother, common to all, like her no other, never lets us fall. On a big blue-green ball, nothing like it. On it, all 8 colors accurately fit. Red is the ladybug and all insects thriving day by day. Orange are the great fierce fires ferociously blazing away. Yellow is the sunshine so cheerful, gives us night and day. Green are the plants, the trees, the grass and all. In the breeze they love to sway. Though transparent, blue is what we call such useful water, which is such a beauty to the eye. Little do we know it's a reflection of the immensely great big sky. Indigo is the big whale and all the limitless fishes that live with it. Violet is one color of the vivid, vibrant flowers, mesmerizing scents they emit. Pink is the cherry blossom and all other fruits. Some come at the top, some at the roots. Like this, there are many more amazing things nature does possess. To make our life easy, Mother Nature does her best. As the benefits of modern things we continue to explore, we keep troubling her, how much ever she may implore. As living beings of the earth, it's our responsibility to let dear Mother Nature live a happy life too. Sorry Mother Nature for troubling you. Thank you.
In our journey of nature conservation, we must act upon different pro-environmental behavioral patterns. Our young friends will highlight these messages for you.
The 5 elements of life. These elements are also known as the Panchamahabhutas. Vedas describe them as the sense of the entire world, both within you and outside. Each element is responsible for different structures in the body. Earth enhances the strength of mind. Water is also known to have healing powers. Fire is the driving force behind all life processes. Air represents growth, joy and happiness. Space influences the mind and the heart. We should balance all 5 elements in our life.
Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience.
Save energy, save earth. Please turn off AC and lights while out.
Hello everybody, I am Arnav Kamble from 6D. Today I will tell you a message about nature. The message is colors. Colors are smiles of nature. Thank you.
Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you.
Earth grows, fire glows, air blows, water flows and spirit knows.
Stop killing nature and wildlife.
I am Nandan Mutta. Today I am going to play Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles. Thank you.
Only our Indian culture in the entire world has given nature a status of mother. That is why we are calling our country Bharat Mata, which is very unique. And when we have given this status, we must respect our Mother Earth. So let's enjoy this heart-touching performance.
to give back to the nature instead of just using resources without thinking about the conservation. Rethink, replenish and recycle are key to a sustainable future. It is our duty to take care of the world we live in. World Conservation Day is a great opportunity to celebrate the progress we have made and determine to take action. It's an opportunity to recommit ourselves to the beautiful earth so that we can enjoy a more sustainable future. Now let's take a pledge to protect, conserve and sustainably manage our natural resources and make this world a better and a healthier place for the future generations.
Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends. William Arthur Ward once said, "Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a gift and not giving it." So without much delay, let me get into my duty to deliver the vote of thanks. We are fortunate to have our Principal Ma'am, who's the head and leading light of our school. Her dedication and positive attitude is helping our school to scale greater heights. From the bottom of our heart, let me express my sincere thanks to her. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all teachers, working staff, parents and students without which this function would have been impossible. Special mention about the support we receive from the management. We all thank them. I would also thank the teachers for providing us with a wonderful platform like this, which helps us hone our skills. Once again, thank you.